Alright everybody, I have jumped over to Moodle so I can go ahead and log in to the class and show you how to find your right group. Now if you're curious about the website is moodle.woodfair.ncsu.edu. Now if you can't remember all of that, just remember Moodle, and you can always easily just go to Google and just type in NCSU Moodle, and it should be the very first option that pops up for you. Okay, once you get to the website, just put in your Unity ID and password, and then you'll be able to log in. Now once you log in, the online courses that you're currently subscribed to will pop up here. So I'm just going to open up ADN 414-001. Now it's actually the same for 001 and 601. Alright, so once you're here, you can go ahead and see the basic layout of the course. Currently part 1 is activated, and it's letting you know up until when you have to work on part 1. And then once January 18th rolls around, then we can see part 2, or week 2 I should say, will open up. And each week has its own little package of information that you're going to want to make sure you go through and read, and make sure you do the required homework that's posted. So in this particular video, we're just going to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and find the right group. That way you can sign into VoiceThread correctly. And everybody should have got an email at the start of the semester going over this process, but just in case you might have missed it, you can catch up on it here. So I'm going to go in part 1. I'm going to click on lesson getting started. Now if you haven't already, you want to make sure that you read all this information. I'm actually just going to jump ahead to VoiceThread. Now when you scroll down, you can see a quick little tutorial video here just talking about VoiceThread, but then more importantly, what you have here are the groups that I was talking about. So there's 3 things here to do, and you want to make sure that you do them in this particular order. So number 1, create an account. We've already done that. We've gone to the website and we've registered. Okay, so that's out of the way. Number 2, this is the main group that we're talking about, ADN 414 VoiceThread group. This is basically the whole entire class. So once I click on this link here, I want to make sure that I'm still logged into VoiceThread. Once I click on this link, it's going to let me know that you've now subscribed to that particular group. Now because I'm already a member of the group, it's letting me know that I can't be added again. Okay? Now if you're not a member of the group so far, once you click the link, you will become a member, and then once you hit my voice, you'll see your group pop up on the left hand side. Alright, so this first group here, link, is our entire class. Okay, now moving on to part 3, which is our critique groups. This is the much smaller group that we're all assigned to. These are the critique groups where we'll be posting up our work, and the people in your group will be able to see your work, and we all critique as a whole. Okay, so you want to make sure that you click on the right group. So just look for your name, and it's the same setup whether you're in 001 as I have here, or you're in 414-601. Okay, once you find your right group, click on the link next to your particular group. So say my name was here in group 2, I'm just going to click group 2, and now it's letting me know that I have successfully added this group. So I'm going to click my voice, and I can see here on the left hand side that now 414-001 group 2 I'm now a part of. In the event that you accidentally click on the wrong one, you can always remove yourself by coming up here to the drop down arrow next to your thumbnail, clicking on groups and contacts, find the group that you want to remove yourself from, find yourself, and then hit X. This will let you know that you've been removed, and then you can go back to Moodle, find the right group, and join. Alright, so now in the next video, we're going to go over how to create your own VoiceThread to introduce yourself to the class and how to share that with everybody.